See, you're
Hi,
Hello. Hello, Myra. How are you?
how are you? So, do you know about? I have a good call. I'm good.
You're good. Very good.
Mayra. That's my name.
Can you guys hear us?
Dear office.
Okay, I'll do my office. You will learn.
You know
All
my
right.
Sindhi? You know how to say.
Okay, I'm just trying to expand this.
Now be quiet and you have to learn. Okay?
Hi, Mahesh uncle.
Yes. Hi, beta. How are you?
Good.
Myra.
Hi, Myra. My name is Myra too.
Myra saying hi.
Yes. You are the senior,
Hi.
you are the senior Myra, right?
Yes.
Correct.
Hello. Can
Hey,
you hear
hi.
us, Mahesh?
You know where Dad Myra?
Okay.
Can you guys hear us?
Yes.
Yeah, just a little bit down. I really have a good day.
Okay.
This is Nia. She's a bit
Hi,
shy in
Nia.
speaking.
Hi, Nia. How are you?
Hi, what's your name?
Yeah.
Nia.
Oh,
Nia,
she's
what's
actually seeing you guys for the first time.
Hi,
Probably that's
Nia.
why she's a bit shy.
She's feeling a bit shy. No.
Yeah.
You have to
She
feel
hasn't
shy.
seen. I mean, she hasn't met anyone before. That's why.
Okay. All right. I think we'll probably have to wait for a couple of minutes for others to join, I believe.
Really nice day I have. It's spring holiday. Myra, it's today's spring holiday.
Yeah.
Yeah, dear office.
Okay, you talk.
She's telling that.
Get into your office, Dad.
I
Okay.
really so nice day. And a good time. So really you guys will have days. It's a spring holiday. And so I really just so understood.
Okay.
No. That Mayra. That's my name.
Okay, Myra.
Yes.
Now be quiet and learn. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Please.
Oh, really nice. I need a pen.
Okay, here is your pen.
Where is it?
Let me find out the pen for you.
I'm just waiting for a couple of more minutes for others to join.
Yeah.
Here is your pen.
Thank. That was someone.
Not sure if others are going to join.
Yeah, just a little bit. I know words.
I'll give you new paper here.
Oh.
New paper.
Okay. Sona has joined. So
I really know about them, so it really has. I have this. I brought a new house today. But really I really got a boring house. But it's a spring holiday, and so
hi, Sona. Can you hear me? I see you're muted. Can you unmute yourself, please? Okay, Sona is not listening to me. Okay, I think, guys, we'll have to start. It's already 11:05. So welcome, everyone. I am going to ask you to speak only when I take your name. Okay? So Myra Junior, can you please?
Hello, uncle. Hello, sorry.
हाँ जी
मुंहिंजो
Sona.
unmute न पे थियो. Yeah, I tried. Now it's
Yeah.
working. मुंहिंजो बि put join करे दो निरंजन. हिकिड़े मिंट में कैमरा ऑन थी कयां.
Okay, sure, please, camera on.
Yeah,
Niranjan?
Ekram.
Yeah, wonderful. So happy to have you.
Thank you, thank you.
Okay. So,
You can
hello
see me.
Niranjan, how are you?
Hello.
Hi.
Hi, Niranjan.
Okay, let's start.
Niranjan, your hair?
All right. Now, Myra, I'm going to ask you to
Uncle will ask
be
you.
quiet because I need to speak. Are you okay with that?
Yeah.
Okay. You have to listen. Now, let me share, first of all, so what we are doing here. Do you guys know what we are going to do here?
You know?
Yes?
Reply.
What
Tell uncle what are you going to
Yes,
do?
Nia.
are you going to do?
Sorry. Myra, senior.
Me?
Yes.
We're learning Sindhi here.
Wonderful. Niranjan,
We were going to.
are you aware what we are doing here? Niranjan?
Niranjan, hear him.
Yeah. I'm asking you, Niranjan, do you know what we are doing here?
We're learning Sindhi.
Perfect.
Yeah. then
Nia,
Cindy.
do you know what we will be doing here?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm really good at this.
Nia, can you speak?
Yeah,
She's
I'm
not
just
speaking, but
telling
we are here to learn Sindhi.
Oh, really good.
Okay, it's all right. It's okay. It's okay.
Wait, I think I know something.
Yes,
What do you know?
We're going to learn the names of body parts.
as well. Yes.
Hmm.
So we will start with very simple words. First of all, is how to introduce yourself in Sindhi.
So
Okay.
was
So let me share the screen. Let me share a slide. That what are we going to learn? And I'm just trying to
know
find.
about that.
Share.
So, really good times.
Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Yeah.
here is a slide.
Okay. Uncle is teaching. Okay.
Okay. Now,
Listen.
if you all can you read this slide?
Slide.
It is
Yes.
it is what
Oh,
this is. Okay, Myra, please let me speak.
Okay.
Okay, Myra, you listen to me now. So we are going to learn Sindhi words. In Sindhi words, what we are going to learn, what are the words to introduce yourself? That is about myself. Then we are going to learn some colors. What do you call these colors in Sindhi? What is the, how do you call them? Like a blue. What is blue in Sindhi? Fruits. Followed by that, we will learn Sindhi words for the fruits. And then vegetables, numbers, finally body parts. Okay? Are you guys good with this?
Yes.
Okay. So here we go to the second slide. All right. I think I'm going to allow recording for a change. So now, when I ask you, Myra Senior, okay. Now I'm going to I have to call you Senior, beta, because you are older than younger Myra. Okay. I hope you don't mind. So
No.
when someone asks you in English, what is your name? Right? Now
Yes.
you will say, my name is Myra. Right? Do you
Yeah.
know what if somebody asks you in Sindhi, what is your name? It will be, how do you, have you ever known or do you understand? How will they ask you? They will say, Tuinjo nalo chahe. So the name in English is nalo in Sindhi. Nalo.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so if I ask you, what is your name in English? In Sindhi, I will say Tuhinjo nalo cha ahe.
Tunjo nalo cha hai.
Very good. Very good. Myra, Junior, little Myra, will you say that? Can you repeat?
Okay, repeat now what uncle is saying. Repeat. How do you call Munjo Nalo?
Manjulalu.
Huh?
Manjulalu.
जोर से
Nalo. Okay.
Manjulalu.
Okay, very good. Very good. Okay, Niranjan, can you say that please in Sindhi?
Munjo nalo.
Okay. So, how will you complete the sentence, Niranjan? What is your name in Sindhi? Say that.
Munjo nalo Niranjan.
Ahe.
Ahe.
So, Myra Senior, can you say that, please?
Munjo nalo Mara ahe.
Very good. Nia, can you say that in Sindhi, please?
Say it.
Nia?
Yeah, come on. I'm sorry, Mohesh, she's a bit shy today. She's saying
I
everything
know.
for the first time. Maybe she'll get better in the next few classes.
That's all right. Perfectly all right. As long as she listened to,
you say now.
it's fine.
I'll make her practice everything after the other.
Yeah, I have some.
You
Okay,
say
Myra,
I have some beautiful.
Myra, little Myra, I'm
Munjo
asking you
Nalo
now.
Manjulalu.
Myra Ahe.
Mahay.
Myra Ahe.
Loud. Loud. Munjo Nalo
Manjulalu.
Myra Ahe.
Mahay.
Loud. Again, one more time.
I can't hear you.
He can't hear you. Okay, I am doing my office. You should. Say loud. Say
I don't know how to do.
Munjo Nalo
Manjulalu.
Myra Ahe.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay.
Very good.
Now, do you know that with your name, there is a surname? Right? Your name is followed by your surname. Now, surname in Sindhi is called Akahe. Okay, now if I ask you, what is your surname? Niranjan, what is your surname?
Kumar.
Okay, very good. Myra Senior, what is your surname?
Keval Ramani.
Keval Ramani. Okay, Myra, little Myra, what is your surname?
Hey, I know Will.
What is your surname? Last name?
Well, I don't know.
Myra Minghani.
Maramingani.
Mingani, very good. Nia, what is your surname? Pulwani, right? Okay, very good. All right. So in Sindhi, if I ask you, what is your surname? In Sindhi, it will be, one second, let me admit my. So in Sindhi, it will be, Tuinji Ake Chahe. So you will say, Muinji Ake, as in, let's say Niranjan, you will say, Muinji Ake
Kumar.
Ahe. Can you repeat that?
Munje ake Kumar ahe.
Very good. Myra Senior,
Munje aake Keval Ramani ahe.
very good. Nia, do you want to say that? Muinji Ake Pulwani Ahe. Okay, never mind. You will learn. Then Myra, Twinji Ake Cha Ahe.
Ankhe Minghani Ahe. Chalo.
Um,
Loud. Loud. Say everyone is saying.
I can't do it.
You can do it. You can do it. Go ahead. Say.
Say
What's your
that,
last?
say that.
Munji Akhi
Munji Aki.
Minghani Ahe.
Mingani.
Very good.
Very good, very good.
Mahesh uncle, I think Usha is trying to enter. Maybe let her in the room.
Oh, is it?
Oh, okay.
Is she in, right?
She's in, I think now, yeah.
Okay, that's very good. Thank you. So, okay, I think we have Mahi, your son's name is?
Garvit.
Good morning, Uncle. He's Garvit. Sorry for late.
It's all right, no worries. Sorry, I didn't hear your name.
Garvit.
Garvit, very good, Garvit. Welcome. Okay, let me, Sneha is trying to come in. Okay, Garvit, so we have learned so far how to say your name and your surname in Sindhi. Now, if I ask you in English, what is your name? How will you reply?
My name is
My name is?
Garvit.
Very good. And if I ask you, what is your last name?
My last name is Talreja.
Talreja, very good. So in Sindhi, if someone asks you, what is your name? They will say, Tuinjo nalo cha ahe. Okay? In Sindhi, if
Can
someone,
you
yeah.
do that again?
So I will say that again. Tuhinjo nalo cha ahe. And in Sindhi, you will reply, Muhinjo nalo garvit ahe. Can you repeat that?
Mejo Lanu Garvit Ahe.
Very good. And then if I ask you, what is your last name? In Sindhi, it will be Tuhinji Akahe Cha Ahe.
Hindi Ake Chahale.
Yeah, that is the question. So you will reply, Muhinji Akahe. Say that.
Talreja.
Talreja.
So
Munji
Muhinji Akahe Talreja Ahe.
Munji
Aake
Ake
Talreja
Talreja
Ahe.
Ahe.
Ahe. Very good. Very good. Okay. Now, if I have to ask you all guys, what is your age? Okay. So in Sindhi, the word for age is Umr. So if I ask you, what is your age in English? In Sindhi, I will have to ask you, Tuinji Umr Ketri Ahe. Okay. So let's say, Garvit, if I ask you, what is your age?
8.
You are 8 years old, right? Okay.
Yes.
Myra, senior, what is your age?
Nava.
Nama, very good, very good. Oh, that's wonderful. So yes, okay, I'll come back to you.
Tyson has
6.
6.
Cha, 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 cha.
Cha 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 cha.
Okay, okay, Myra, thank you. And Niranjan, what is your age? Tunji umar kitri ahe?
Mara. Mara. Oh, Bara.
Bara, very good. Okay, so in Sindhi, you will say that Munji umar 12 saal ahe. Repeat after me. Munji
Munji.
umar
Umar.
12
Ara.
saal,
Bara.
12, yes, saal
Sal.
ahe.
Ahe.
Okay, okay, Garvit, how old are you?
8.
8 years.
Yes.
Can you repeat after me? Muhinji
Benji
umar
Umar
8
Atha
saal
Ala
ahe.
Tal A Ahe.
Ahe. Okay, Myra Senior, can you say that in Sindhi if you know?
Munji. Amar.
Nama
Nava.
saal.
Sala Ahe.
Very good, very good. Muhinji umar 9 saal ahe. Okay, now Myra Little, can you say after me? Can you repeat after me?
What uncle is saying, repeat.
Okay, listen to it. Say Muhinji,
Say loud. Say loud.
Muhinji. I can't hear you. Muhinji,
Muhinji.
okay, very good. Umar
Umar
6
Cha
saal
Ala
ahe.
Ahe.
Very good, very good. So that is your age. All right. I don't think Neha will be able to say this, so I'm not
You want to
asking
say
her
it?
now. But I think she has to maybe
You want
practice
to say
at
it?
home. All right. Okay.
No.
Now, if I say, do you go to school? Your reply will be, yes, I go to school. Okay. So in Sindhi, Cha tu school vendi ahi. Myra senior. You repeat after me. Ha
Uh-huh.
ma
Ma.
school.
School?
Yes. The word for Sindhi in, so we have some adopted words from other languages. Now in Sindhi, there are other words for school which are a bit difficult. So I chose the easier one, which is commonly used in Sindhi. It is also called school in Sindhi. So you will say, Ma school vendi
Vendi
aya
ahe.
aya.
Aya.
Okay, very good. Garvit, can you say that after me? Ma
Ma,
school
Ur,
vendo
Vendo,
aya.
Ahea.
Very good. Okay, then I'm going to ask Niranjan. Niranjan, can you say that? Repeat after me. Ma I can't hear you. Are you mute? Yes, you
I
are.
think
Yeah, he's mute. Unmute yourself, please. Very good. Say Ma
Ma.
school
School.
vendo
Window.
aya.
Ahya.
Very good. All right. Now, after school, if somebody asks you what grade you go in, what is your grade in school? Basically, we're talking about school. So, what is your grade?
7.
Yes. Okay, very good. Now, the word for grade is darjo.
Third room.
Yes. So Garvit, if I ask you, what is your grade?
it's 2. I was about to
Two.
say I was about to say 8 for some reason, but I meant
So
2.
your grade is 2 in school, right?
Yes.
You're in grade 2.
Yes.
Okay, very good. So you will say, Ma, repeat after me.
Pa,
B,
Ye,
darje
Darje,
में
Ye,
आया.
Ahea.
Very good. I
Darjo, Darje,
darjo is grade. Okay. So Myra senior, can you please repeat, or can you say if you know it? So
Ma.
yes.
Ma. Do I say the number?
Yes, please. Do you know the number? What's the number of
Yes.
it?
Ma. Char. Darjo में आया.
Very good. So, yes, you're right. So, char for char, it is 4. But when you say this in a sentence, you say, Ma, repeat after me.
Ma.
Chothe. Chothe. Chothe.
Ma chote.
Yeah. Chothe is 4th.
Okay.
So in Sindhi, in English, when you say I'm in 4th grade, in Sindhi you will say Ma chothe darje mein aaya.
Okay.
Okay, very good. Repeat that. Ma chothe darje mein aaya.
Ma chote darje में आया.
Very good. Now, Myra Little, can you say that? Ma
Say,
Ma,
ba.
say.
Oh, sorry, she's in which?
Kindergarten.
Oh, she's in kindergarten. I don't know what is the word for kindergarten.
Say kindergarten. No, you have to repeat.
Ma kindergarten
Ciao. Say Ma.
Ma kindergarten.
Look at in the camera.
Ma kindergarten.
Me.
Me, Aya.
Aya.
Um,
Yeah.
Okay, Niranjan.
Yes.
What class are you in? What grade are you in?
7.
Okay, so repeat after me. So the word for grade is darjo. Ma
Ma.
satte
Satte.
darje
Darje.
mein
Me.
aya.
Aya.
Okay, so repeat once again, please.
Yes, sir.
Ma
Ma.
satte
Satte.
darje
Darje.
mein
Me.
aya.
Aya.
Very good, very
Can
good.
Nia say it? Nia? No.
Yeah, Neha, can you say that, please?
Ma preschool. Me. Aya.
Very good. Can you say that little loud, please?
Louder. Ma preschool. Me. Aya.
Wow, wonderful. So nice. You speak so well. Okay, all right. Now, the final word on this slide is ghar. Okay, ghar means home. Where, if I ask you, where is your home? Okay, so Niranjan, if I ask you, where is your home? How will you reply in English?
It's here.
Yeah,
It's
you'll have
it's
to-
in Langley.
where? Sorry.
It's in Langley.
excuse me.
Yeah, sure. Who's that?
Actually, heard the name Gar many times.
Ghar. Ghar
Yes.
is home.
I know what it means.
Oh, it means house, home. Where do you live? Basically, in Sindhi, there are two ways of asking. Where is your home or where do you stay? So, ghar is the word for home.
I've heard that word many times.
You have? Okay, very good. Very good. Okay, so Garvit, if I ask you, sorry, I'll come back to you, Niranjan. Garvit, if I ask you, where is your home in English?
It's a delta. In delta.
Okay, so how will you say this in English? Complete sentence. Reply, my home is in Delta,
Yep.
right?
Yeah.
Okay, so in Sindhi, repeat after me. Muhinjo. Can you repeat, please? Garvit, can you repeat? Muhinjo.
Sorry, I wasn't listening.
Okay, are you listening to me? Are you able
Yes.
to? Okay, so can you repeat after me? Muhinjo,
Muhinjo,
Ghar,
Gar,
Delta,
Delta,
Mein,
Me,
Ahe.
Ahe.
Right? That means my home is in Delta. Okay. All right. Now let me go to Niranjan back. Niranjan, can you say that? Muhinjo Ghar.
Munjo Gar.
Okay. 1 second. We have only 10 minutes. So Muhinjo Ghar.
Munjo Gar.
Where is it?
Langley.
Langley mein ahe.
Langley me ahe.
Muhinjo Ghar Langley mein ahe.
Munjo Gar Langley me ahe.
Very good. You speak very good Sindhi. You must really, really practice. I'm telling you, very quickly you will learn. Very quickly. Okay, now Myra Senior.
Munjo Gar Langley me I hai.
Ahe. Very good. Muhinjo Ghar Langley mein ahe. Very good. So who else is remaining? I didn't ask.
Nia.
Nia. Where is your home?
Gar sari mein.
Arey, wow. Wow.
Very good. Very good.
Very good. I clap everyone. Clap. Okay.
Clap for Nia.
That's wonderful. That's wonderful.
Now your home.
So
Myra Lucia. Myra Bachia.
Arey, Myra, oh, where is Myra? I can't see her.
Yeah.
Huh?
Okay, Myra, yes, you are here. So can you
Yeah.
say that, please?
Say,
Myra Bachia.
Munjo ghar
मुझे घर
sariye
सही
mein aahe.
नहीं है.
Yeah.
Yes, very good. Munjo ghar sari mein aahe. Okay,
Sariye.
It's
sorry.
my doggy.
Sorry, yes. Okay, so what we'll do, I think we have only 10 minutes left. If you want, I can renew this. I mean, we can continue, but maybe it is going to be too much for you guys. One slide in one day, and maybe next tomorrow, I will try and repeat this so that we can quickly finish, but then we can move on to the next slide, which will be basically the colors. If you feel comfortable with that speed, fine. Otherwise, we can spend more time on every single slide. Now, I'll ask all the parents to let me know on WhatsApp what they think, whether are we going in the right way? Is this the best way? Is there any improvement? How do you want me to change if there's anything I want to change? So that, but I can see, I mean, all the kids are doing very well. It's just a little bit of practice, and I can definitely do my best. But I think parents will have to put some effort and time to practice with them on these particular sentences or words, at least so that they can remember, they are comfortable talking about them. Now I'll open the floor for parents so we can just have a quick feedback.
Mr. Mahesh
Yes.
Uncle.
Yes, beta.
I took a bunch of notes.
Sorry, what's that?
I took a lot of notes while you were speaking, so I remember everything and I can practice.
Oh my God, very good. Wow. Thank you so much, Myra. That's so wonderful. That's so wonderful. I really appreciate that. Okay, please do share that on our WhatsApp group we have for Sindhi learning. All right. That will be so helpful. Niranjan, are you comfortable with the way we are going?
Yes.
You are? Are you going to practice at home?
Yes.
Are you going to ask your mom and dad to speak with you in Sindhi?
Yes.
Okay. So if they don't speak in Sindhi, you will not reply.
Yes.
Is that a promise?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So that's wonderful. Nia, are you going to speak Sindhi?
Yes, it'll be more cool.
Ah, yes. Ma Sindhi mein galaidas. Myra, small Myra, will you speak in Sindhi?
Hey, I'm not small.
Myra, listen.
Excuse me.
Little Myra, little Myra.
Hey.
It's just
You just say Myra Mingani, you na ta holi mein.
Okay.
Okay, talk to
Actually, here Nandi aaye, par ve ji gandi aaye, but he daddy hai sabhi.
Jais uncle ke.
Yes.
What
Yes, very good. So I think we'll do one thing. Maybe you guys can post your suggestions, comments, anything you think about how we. Yeah, beta. Yeah, Garvit. Tell me.
Actually, we only have 4 minutes left of this meeting. I can see it.
Yes.
Now we have 4 minutes left.
Yes, we do have. I'm not going to close it, but what I was suggesting is asking everyone that is this method of teaching or learning is good for you.
Yes.
Very good.
No.
Very good. So we will do one thing. Tomorrow, again, we are going to practice the same slide and see how comfortable you guys are. In the meantime, at home, try and speak these words or repeat these sentences so that you are comfortable tomorrow. All right?
Tomorrow.
Yeah. Are we going to see you tomorrow? Nia, are you going to come tomorrow again?
Sorry.
That's very good. That's very good. What about Myra Mingani?
Huh?
You are going to come back tomorrow?
Coming back.
Tomorrow again?
back tomorrow again.
Yes.
Very good. Very good.
Yes, I'll come back.
Okay, very good. Garvit, you too?
It will be cool, bolo.
It'll
Very
be
good.
cool.
Niranjan?
Bolo.
Ha.
Very good. Ha, yhi galaba beta. That's how it is. So you don't have to feel
अंकल
shy.
हिननि खे निरंजन खे सम्झ में सॼी अची वेंदी आहे रुगो ॻाल्हाइण में थोरी दिक़त कंदो आहे सम्झ में सॼी सिंधी असां ॻाल्हाईंदा ई सिंधी आहियूं घर में हिन सां
Very wonderful. That's wonderful. So yeah. I mean, it is understandable. And in this particular setup, I think Niranjan, you should feel comfortable speaking or replying in Sindhi. If you know Sindhi, you should speak Sindhi. You should be.
अंकल सिंधी ॻाल्हायो सम्झंदव सॼी सम्झंदव
हाँ,
इंग्लिश
तो
में
बस-
रिप्लाई कंदव पर सिंधी सॼी सम्झ में ईंदसि
हाँ. So now, हिन खां पोइ निरंजन तोखे सिर्फ़ सिंधी में ॻाल्हाइणो आहे.
हा
Okay, very good.
जी
Very
अंकल
good.
जी
Very good.
अंकल
Very good, beta. Very good. And Myra Senior, you're going to share your notes, right?
Yeah.
Yes, and ma in them.
Wonderful. Wonderful. And I can see Usha and Sneha also listening. So if you guys have any feedback or any comments, do let me know so that we can improve or change our style. Yes, Sneha, what do you want to say?
Thank you.
Oh, wow. Thank you so much. So sweet.
Thank you so much, uncle.
Thank you, beta.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Anna. Thank you so much.
Anya, ek minute aaye.
For teaching me.
I think ये जेको तव्हां स्लाइडूं
Yes,
ठाहियूं
Neha,
आहिनि
beta.
अञा I
Yeah.
think
You understand?
Bane Indas, very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Yeah, I look forward to seeing you all tomorrow. All right. That's so nice of you. Okay, guys. Have a wonderful day. It is your spring break, so enjoy your day and practice a lot. Sindhi, please.
Yes.
Okay.
Uncle, thank you for your time.
Yeah, sure. Thank you, beta. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Uncle.
हाणे इहो तूं मूंखे सिंधीअ में चई ॿुधाए निरंजन.
मेहरबानी
Meherbani.
Thank you. Yes, thank you is मेहरबानी. हाँ जी मेहरबानी.
मेहरबानी तव्हां
हाँ
टाइम
जी मेहरबानी.
Meherbani time ॾिनो.
हाँ, thank you. हाणे टाइम ॾिनो न वक़्तु ॾिनो.
वक़्तु ॾिनो हा
What's fuck?
वक़्तु मीन टाइम
You will love it. Tomorrow I'm going to tell you some very nice facts, very wonderful, something you did not know about Sindhi language, very briefly, but that will be tomorrow. So I just wanted you all to feel comfortable speaking. When you are asked to speak, you must speak, okay? And do
Okay.
practice at home, all right?
Ji, uncle.
Okay, beta. You all have a lovely day and thank you for joining and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Okay?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Now, sab chao Jhulelal.
Thank you.
Jai Jhulelal.
Jai Jhulelal.
Yeah, Nia? Jai Jhulelal. Very good. Very good, my